Well, you're obviously a wonderful idiot.
Oh, the taste of the wind.
But I can help.
Oh God, fuck help!
Dwan Lane, goddammit!
Oh God, fuck help!
Dwan Lane, goddammit!
Oh fuck God, help!
Question.
Ooh, ooh!
What's green and hides in the dark?
A three-headed, two-faced monster!
That path. That direction.
It's like I feel eyes upon me. I think I need to sit a spell. Well, I wonder if this is where it is. Goddamn, that was something.